blood donation is very important in our life because what I believe is my blood can be used for somebody and to save someone's life in emergency. So I am a regular blood donor and I would tell you that you should always donate blood.
Students always say that they don't do donation because they don't have enough money. For me, the answer is blood donation. It only requires yourself to be physically fit.
It also helps someone get a better life. For example, there are many people who need blood at a regular interval, and if it's not necessary that someone who has an accident and who has lost a lot of blood, only that person requires blood. It's also people who have some blood disorders require blood.
According to me, blood donation is a part of humanity.
Blood donation is important to me as it can save many lives in diseased person and in emergency.
I as a person think it very important to donate blood because it can help many people to save their life. It's not person focused. If I am saving someone's life whom I don't know, that is again helps to me also. If some person is donating blood in some part of country, they can save my family, someone who is near and dear to me.
ब्लड डोनेशन ये एक ऐसी चीज़ है, ये सबकी मॉरल रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है एंड what we need to do is create awareness and be a blood donor.
Happiness is to save a life in the easiest way. Donate blood, stay healthy and save a life.
हमारे इंडिया में बहुत सारे अनफॉर्चुनेट लोग हैं जिनको वेरियस डिजीज़ हैं, थैलासीमिया मेजर, ब्लड कैंसर एक्सेट्रा. आपका एक छोटा सा कंट्रीब्यूशन उनकी लाइफ में कितना बेटरमेंट ला सकता है, ये आप इमेजिन नहीं कर सकते.
Recognize your inner concerns, be human, donate blood, save life.
I don't need a medical certificate to save someone's life. I just need a fair degree of humanity to donate blood.
Blood for humans come from humans. I am donating my blood to save someone's life.
Every single drop of blood is important. Save lives, donate blood.
I've lost a family member because of blood deficiency, so I know what is the importance of blood donation is. I'm going to donate my blood. Are you?
Keep calm and donate blood. I am a part of SSR.
Keep calm and donate blood. I am a part of SSR.
Keep calm and donate blood. I'm part of SSR.
Keep calm, donate blood. I am a part of SSR.
Keep calm and donate blood. I am a part of SSR.
Keep calm and donate blood. I am a part of SSR.
Keep calm and donate blood. We are a part of SSR.
Keep calm and donate blood. I am a part of SSR.
Keep calm and donate blood. I am a part of SSR.
Keep calm and donate blood. I am part of SSR.
Keep calm and donate blood. We are a part of SSR.
Keep calm and donate blood. I am a part of SSR.
We are 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 a part of